Hey, this is Joey at wholesale.com, and we're going to go over how to set an anchor. All right, this is a spiral anchor. It's about a foot long. I think they're about 10 inches. They're on Amazon. That's where we got them. There's all different kinds of anchor, but this is a spiral anchor. So how you want to set these is sometimes in the ground there will be rocks, which kind of does suck whenever you go to do it. You'll have to take it out, move it over, maybe move your display over. So with this one is all we do is put it in the ground, give it some pressure so that way it can get a bite. I like to turn it by hand until it gets tough. Based on the soil that you're in, it will be a little bit harder. And then like I said, if there's rocks, so like right there, it's pretty tough. So I grab a flathead and basically it gives you a little bit more leverage on it. And then you go to get it down. And that's how you set that spiral anchor then. So let's go over here and I'm gonna show you what a turnbuckle looks like. As you can see, here's your dogs. We dogged them down. They're also called pimples. And then here is your turnbuckle. And what it is once you want to take these and it spins one way to get it loose, then to get it tightened, you can do it by hand and twist it this way. And when you can't get it tighter, you can use this to turn it as well as a flathead. So it's really good to have a flathead with your spiral anchors, turnbuckle, and then make sure you do at least 2, 3 preferably so it doesn't slip on your cable line. Again, remember that each one of these is rated for different ratings. So you need to understand the weight load that it can take. And with these spiral anchors, if you have really soft, wet ground or something like that, and there's high winds, they can get ripped out of the ground. So be mindful of that. You use a different type of anchor. But that's how you set a spiral anchor.